To see my rosemary bushes. There you go. Yan po. Rosemary. Yan po yan. A huge tree. Oh, yan. May rosemary. Sometime I cut the branch so I can put in what's that called? Support my friend. Huy. Sino ini? Support my friend. Jakay. Okay. You're welcome. Okay, done. Okay. Si Jakay. Marian. Okay, hold on. Who's next? Be me love. Be me love. Be me love. Uy. Si Be me love. Mouse vlog. Okay. Punta tayo po kay Kwan. Kay Be me love. Sis Be me. Uy. Nakapagod. Working the yard. Sis Be me. Yo. Yeah, there you go. Namalengke na kami dito sa mall, Belgium. Sis Be me, ang layo naman ng iyong palengke, Belgium to Switzerland. About good. Travel to Belgium to do shopping. Amur, hi. Mila's vlog. Thank you, Sis Mila. Sis Mila. Ano, si Sexy. La. Like 12. Like 12. Ay. Sis Bimi Dan. Sis Marian. Okay, who's next? Next. Go to channel po tayo. Go to channel. Yan ba yan? Uy. Like 7. Miss Bemi, isa pa. One more. Pobreng manglalakbay. Good morning. Mega love shout out sa inyo. 7 people in the house. Kuya Puji. Mega love shout out. Thank you sa inyong punta.